Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lenovo laptop USB-C not working. Option 1. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click USB Composite Device and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Once the process is complete, close the window and check if your USB port is working. Option 2. If the issue continues, stay in Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers again. Right-click USB Root Hub, USB 3.0, and select Uninstall Device. Next, click Action at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the USB driver. Finally, restart your Lenovo laptop and check if the USB port is working. Option 3. Click the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. If Windows repairs any corrupted system files, restart your laptop and test the USB port again.